Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to remove and replace the heater blower motor on Volkswagen Amarok. The heater blower motor on this car is located underneath the glove box, so in order to get to it we need to remove a cover that's just at the gearbox. In my case there is no cover and we can see the heater blower motor right there. We don't need to remove the glove box, so we can see the heater blower motor. It's held by 5 or 6 bolts and we need to disconnect this electrical connector. Once we remove all the bolts, we can take off the heater blower motor. And that's the heater blower motor on the ground. Now we can replace it with a new one. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.